first grade students are playing an activity called Four Corner Around the World. You can see we've got cones in the four corners of the gym, and every student has a dice. So they're going to start down here at cone number 1, and they're going to have a face-off with someone, which means they both roll the dice to see which number is bigger. Whoever has the bigger number wins, and they run down to the next cone, which is cone number 2, and they'll have a face-off with someone down here. The bigger number wins, smaller number stays and plays someone else. Bigger number advances to cone number 3. They'll have a face-off with someone down here at this corner. Larger number advances to cone number 4. After cone number 4, if they have the bigger number, they stop by the bucket, they pick up one wristband, and that'll let them know how many times they won, how many times they've made it around the world. Let's see your wristbands. How many you got? Whoa, getting quite a collection.
3, 4, 5. I got
Excellent.
5. I got 5.
Nice. So it's a quick, instant activity that gets the kids moving independently at their own pace. Greater number advances, smaller number stays. If they're equal, they just roll again. So this is the first grade class. This is our warm-up activity this morning. We're going to do another activity with dice in a little bit. We'll play this for about 5 or 6 minutes, and then we will get to our next activity.